All right, so a quick up and coming. This property is not yet available. It's closing on Thursday with the provider. This is not on the inventory list. We can't get inside, but I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's see here. I'm gonna show you at least the backyard. 1,600 square feet.
The yard goes clear back to those trees in the back.
All right, got a carport over here. And check out the size of this yard. It goes all the way back to...
Nice little deck there too.
Oh, a kitty. Does the kitty come with it?
I hope not.
All right, so check out the woods back here. This yard is huge. I'll give you kind of a shot of the back here. So this will end up being fully rehabbed. It's gonna get what?
Painted white.
Okay, so the whole porch is gonna get painted white. That's gonna look amazing. And then I'll show you just a little bit of the street real quick. There's a really cute house across the street. We are in Talladega. What street are we on?
This is Northeast Street.
Northeast Street.
Street East.
North Street East. So, like I said, this is a sneak peek. Nobody knows about this property. So here's the front yard. The street is busier, but all of the houses on it are really nice, really cute. You can see a couple across the street. I love the one across the street. All right, this one's coming.